Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Luma Dream Machine on PC. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. So try to open Microsoft Edge. Now, in the Microsoft Edge browser, go to the search bar and type in Luma Dream Machine and hit enter. Now, click on this Luma Dream Machine link, AI video generator. So lumalabs.ai will be the exact link of this page. Click here and it is going to take you to lumalabs.ai. Now you will see a page that will look something like this. Here you can see you just have join us API and try now button. There is no way to download this application, but I have a workaround through which you can easily access Luma AI like an application. Simply click on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen and it is going to show you some options. From these options, you'll have to navigate to more tools and you will see a sub-menu. Here, click on Pin to Taskbar. Now when you click on that button, it is going to show you a notification at the bottom right of the screen. Click on Yes and it is going to pin this Luma Dream Machine to your taskbar. So I will cut this out and I'm on my home screen. I will have to simply click on this Luma AI icon at the bottom and it is instantly going to open Luma Dream Machine without going to any browser indirectly. Now, just click on this button and Luma Dream Machine will open up. So that's the simple way to download and install Luma Dream Machine on PC. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.